Oh, this is just going to be fun and cozy. So we have this group of fabrics in, and we have 7 different fabrics, and they're all cozy. I don't know what else to say. They're like a polar fleece, but much thinner. So the nice thing is you can layer really nicely. And they're just, you just want to, oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so comfortable. And they're all, for today and tomorrow, they're all $9.99. So that's the coolest thing out about this. Is time to stock up, ladies. So let me show you the different colors. All right, we've got little gray tones, like 2-tone gray. Beautiful, like a goldy animal print. Isn't that amazing? Then we got, now these are all 2-way stretch, all cotton poly, stretch in both directions. They're amazing. They're just adorable. This is a little rainbow colors, the blues. And then we have a little tie-dye. Kind of, these middle ones all look like tie-dye. I love that. A little orange color. And then we have the same print, but it's like pink. It'd be fun to maybe do something top and bottom with those coordinates. And then we have this really cool, this is a gray and blue. I don't know if you see the blue in there. And then this is the pink. I love it. They're so cute. And you can really blend them together, have all kinds of fun with them, but oh my goodness, at least a few new sets of pajamas are definitely in order. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.